Hi friends, welcome to Plantify and welcome to my balcony garden too. This is summertime and my south facing balcony doesn't get much sunlight during this time of the year. Only the edge of my balcony gets direct sunlight of 3 to 4 hours during the day. So I don't grow much edibles during summertime. And this year my garden is more of a free-flowing, easy-going garden as I didn't get much time for gardening this year. This belly or mogra is a perennial plant, so it gives me flower every summer. These are hybrid vincas. I bought the saplings from local nursery. This is crocea and the pink one is also hybrid vinca. And my sunflowers at the back. As you can see, I have kept all my flowering plants at the edge of my balcony as this is the only place where I get sunlight in my balcony during the afternoon hours. If you want a easy to care balcony garden for summertime, then go for vincas and these crocias. This particular plant adds beauty to your garden. It's not a flowering plant, but this makes a huge difference in the look of your garden. This one is the chili plant I grew during winter, and this plant is doing quite well during summer. I'm also getting a couple of chilies once in a while. See, some baby chilies you can see. And the flowers also. This one is a Malabar spinach or pui shag that is growing along the edge of my balcony. Let us see how it performs. Another chili plant that's also from the winter season. And these are some nayantaras or vincas grown by themselves, and my tulsi plant, curry leaf plant, neem plant that is growing in this corner of my balcony, and that one is the old brinjal plant. And few days back I have got few rain lilies after a splash of rain. And at the other side of the balcony I have all my indoor plants. These plants don't get any sunlight during this time of the year. As you can see, all my indoor plants are sitting here in this corner of the balcony. This is rubber plant and few more indoor plants. And this is my sunflower, and this is the outer edge of my balcony, how it looks from the outside. Hope you have enjoyed my balcony garden tour. Next video, I'll show you my parents' garden. See you soon. Till then, bye bye.